Hi everyone, hope y'all are doing well. I'm Ash, y'all are watching Preen Ash Bae. Rain. Rain. What is the meaning of word rain? Rein means a long thin piece of leather that is held by the rider and used to control a horse's movements. Rein means to stop or slow up one's horse or oneself by or as if by pulling the reins. Example: I gave him free rein to do what he needs to. Example: rubbing her eyes, she tried to rein in her scattered thoughts. रेन का मतलब घोड़े की लगाम रस्सी. Friends, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all with new videos. See you all. Take care. Bye bye.